Backyard Brandon here. With Shop Doggy Freya's. I got something pretty fucking cool to show you guys. Check this out. I mean, y'all seen a LS engine before. You've seen a LS engine with CNC ported heads, I'm sure. What? What's that? What the fuck is that? Oh my God. Becky, look at her butt. It is so big. How you guys like that turbo setup, huh? Wastegates dumping right back into the old downpipes. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's nice, isn't it? Yeah. Real fucking nice. That shit is sick.